Hi, my name is JT Baroma. I am an active guider of MMM Philippines residing in Parañaque City. I want to thank the participant, Tommy Vida, who has sent his donation to me in the amount of 3,700 pesos. I requested to get help for the said amount on March 8, 2016. My donations were on February 21st, 2016 and February 23rd, 2016 for 1,000 pesos each. The other sources of my get help were my bonuses. Thank you everyone from our admin, my fellow guiders, and most especially our founder, Sergey Mavrodi. Long live MMM and together we change the world.